What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell crypto or cryptocurrency on the Trading 212 app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, first go ahead and make sure that you're actually on the crypto section of the app, so you can see that right here. Now once you are on the crypto section, just go ahead and open up your portfolio tab so you can see which cryptocurrencies you have. Now we have two options, so let's go ahead and sell some Solana that I have. Now, once you open up the specific cryptocurrency tab of the cryptocurrency that you would like to sell, you would just need to tap on the sell button right here and just input the amount of that cryptocurrency that you would like to sell. Now, as I mentioned, for example, we're doing Solana right here. So let's say that I want to sell all of my Solana. I will just tap on this right here, and I will just tap on preview order. Now as you can see, Trading 212 actually has a cap on how much crypto you can sell. So if you bought some crypto and it doesn't match the amount of crypto that you can sell, you would just need to purchase more of that cryptocurrency so it matches the amount that Trading 212 allows you to sell. I currently have about 0.12 Solana, but their minimum amount that you can sell is 0.13 Solana. So you would just need to purchase some extra crypto, and then you would be able to sell your whole lot that you currently have in your portfolio. So let's guys see how you can sell crypto on Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.